Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of repair bugs that you have in the game. It might not work for everybody, but as you can see that there's a repairs button on the right here, as you can see. It says you press on it, attempting to clean up, update files to fix version mismatch issues. After the cleanup, the game needs to be restarted, and update files will be re-downloaded. So press confirm and you're just going to restart the game and it's going to download, re-download everything, updated files and whatnot. Then you're just going to press confirm here. It's going to close. But then you can then just start the game once it's done re-downloading everything. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.